Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some delicious oxtails that I got on sale with some rice and peas. I've been soaking this piece for 15 minutes, but it needed to be soaked for at least an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, so it could be easily cooked. This is the beans you need, and I have water here ready for the peas. It's below half, but I'm going to add the water with the peas inside this pot, so it should be good. And if it's not, I'm just gonna add more. I had seasoned my chicken. I had seasoned my oxtail with my preference of seasoning. So whatever seasoning you use, whatever preference of seasoning you want to use, you could use it. It just make sure you got the main thing, which is oxtail seasoning. And yeah, right now I'm frying it, and I usually let it fry 40 to 5 minutes on each side. Let it get brown, and then you just gotta flip it, and then you take it out and put in another set. Just keep doing that until you finish frying all your oxtail. Yeah, you're not supposed to add the dry seasoning when you frying the oxtail. That's only when you cooking it down. Now it's time to check on them and flip it on the other side, and then it's gonna be time to take them out. Let me show you how it's looking. Time to take them out. Shake off all that oil because you don't need it in your system. So yeah, you're just gonna keep frying the oxtail until you finish frying all of them. Just keep doing the same thing, and then you cook it down. You stew it down. The peas is soft and ready. I'm just gonna add some water and the coconut milk and get this going. Now it's time to cook the peas, the rice. So I'm pouring it in this pot because I need the pressure cooker pot to cook the oxtail in. So I'm just gonna add a little water to the pot, and then I add the coconut milk. Gotta wash it off because cankers be dirty at the top, so you gotta wash it off before you open it up. I'm sure y'all notice. I'm gonna add some pimento seeds, and then I'm adding my dry seasonings. Oh, I didn't open the. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna add my dry seasonings: the pepper, hot pepper, thyme, and Escallion. Mix it around. Now it's time to add a little salt. Just a little bit. I was trying to remember if I added in the water, but I think I did. But just a little bit of salt anyways. So you mix it again and you cover it up. Let it boil into a reddish color and then you add your rice. This is how it's looking. Washing out my pot for my oxtails. So this, sorry for the bad recording right here. I didn't notice that I was not holding the camera. Like, it was a struggle, I guess, so my bad. Well, I basically just add the dry seasoning and some oil and I let it saute for a little bit, and then I just add the oxtail. Then I add some water. Oh, this bad recording. Sorry guys, won't let it happen again, I promise. So yeah, I'm about to cover it up and let it do its thing. Now the peas is bubbling, so you know what time it is. Add your rice, sis. Add your rice. So the rice is here. I needed it to be a little more firmer, but this is fine. Still ate it. Still tastes good, but my rice don't come out like this. My rice be coming out looking shelly and stuff. I honestly think I stirred it too fast when all the water wasn't dried out. So yeah, I learned my lesson. I don't know why I did that. Like, that's not how I cook rice. So, but it's still, look at it. It's looking good. And then my oxtail is almost ready. But yeah, I don't use butter beans. I don't like butter beans anymore. So at this point right here, was smelling so good. Yeah, but yeah, I have spinners. I don't use butter beans. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.